Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, are you looking to level up your skills in Kubernetes networking and cloud native security? Want to learn how to secure and optimize data intensive workloads while earning a credible certification for your efforts? Well, I have an exciting free learning opportunity just for you. Welcome to this free 4-hour workshop. You will deep dive into Kubernetes networking, cloud native connectivity, security, observability, and the best part. Upon completion, you will be earned a validated Credly badge showcasing your expertise to the world. See, these three badges are there. You might earn these badges. What you need to do, you need to fill up this form. You see, there are three different dates: 7th October, 9th October, and 16th October. You have different time zone. Based on your time zone, you select the time zone, time, date, etc. Whatever prefers to you. I'm selecting as this for now, just an example. Put your first name, put your last name, your email address, your mobile number, your company name, your company size, your job title, and the country where you belong to. If you are a MSP, IT provider, or reseller, so choose accordingly. And if you want to be contacted by Cisco by anytime, so you can click on this and click on submit. So once you click on submit, you will be get registered to their program and you will learn how Kubernetes handles pod networking, CNI, which is container network interface, IPAM, which is IP address management, Kubernetes services, and Ingress. You will also know how to implement network policies for traffic management security in real world scenarios. And that's just the beginning. As you progress, you will get to cover advanced topics like how to secure your Kubernetes cluster with encryption, mutual authentication, and runtime security. You will also get hands-on experience with modern tools like Cilium Tetragon for security observability. And additionally, you will get to experience eBPF technology in action, improving performance, scalability, and security in your Kubernetes environment. And with tools like Cilium Tetragon, you will be able to monitor, detect, enforce security policies across your entire cluster, providing comprehensive runtime security. By the end of this workshop, you will not only have a strong understanding of Kubernetes networking, but also practical security skills that are essential in today's cloud native environments. So, what you are waiting for, please go and register yourself here, and you will get the Credly badges at your account. Once you earn these Credly badges, feel free to tag me on your LinkedIn post. We will be celebrating it together. So, if you like this video, please click the like button. If you yet not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I come up with daily free Udemy premium courses for you, free certification alerts, and free educational resources here. So, see you on the next video. Thank you.